Good morning, everyone. Today's presentation on solar thermal energy storage and its application by Omkar Kasar, guided by Professor R.C. Patil, Sir, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Introduction. Recent predict that primary energy consumption will rise by 48% in 2040. On other hand, the depletion of fossil resources, in addition to their negative impact on the environment, has accelerated the shift toward the sustainable energy resources. Renewable energy such as solar radiation, ocean waves, and wind and biogas has been played a major role in reforming natural balance and providing the needs of a growing population demand. However, due to climatic vagaries, the mean of the storing this type of renewable energy has become urgent. This has led to need to develop an efficient and sustainable method of storing energy. Energy storage has become an important part of renewable energy technology systems. The thermal energy storage (TES) is technology that stock the thermal energy by heating or cooling storage medium, so that the storage energy can be used at a later time for the heating and cooling application and power generation. TS systems are used particularly in a building and industrial process. Advantage of the using TS is energy system include an increase in overall efficiency, better reliability, and it will lead to a better economic reduction in investment and running cost and less pollution of the environment. Is that fewer carbon dioxide emission. Types of solar thermal system. Active solar thermal system use pump, fan, and other power devices. Passive solar thermal system does not use a pump or fan, relies on the natural forces, gravity, and density. Indirect solar thermal system, heat exchanger is used to transfer the heat. Example, transfer heat from the circulating fluid to the city water. The direct solar thermal system that does not use the heat exchanger, direct heat transfer. Like for example, a city or a potable water is circulated from the tank to the collector and back. Here is the simple diagram on of active and passive solar thermal system. Sun directed directed rays on this. Here is super window, stone floor and wall for heat storage. This is a passive solar thermal system. Here it is a active solar thermal system. Here is a direct rays on these solar plates. Glass, and then heat directed to the hot water tank. Then it goes to the heat exchanger. Heat to the house. Radiators or force air duct. Then again it goes to the heat exchanger. Okay, thank you. Solar thermal system convert the sunlight to the heat. First light to the heat conversion. Here is the heat absorber devices. Then heat transfer to the fluid like water, air, and oil. Then the heat storage medium, sensible latent heat. Here it is used for desirable application, heating, distillation. And here is the sensible heat storage medium is used to desirable time for a desired application. Our objective to collect, store the solar thermal power using a thermal energy storage system. The goal of to gather the heat from the sun, deliver heat continuously to application over a 24-hour period, and we will gather the solar thermal power with a concentrating solar collector and store the heat in energy accumulator. The energy storage device and energy storing material will be environmentally friendly during the manufacturing and disposal. It will be safe during a high temperature use, and it will be conveniently located in a domestic industrial application. The primary technical challenge is to collect ample solar power during the daytime and power and thermally driven application after the daylight hour. Literature review. In this part, attempt has been made out to review the literature for analysis for the study. The present energy crisis has lot of research in this field of thermal energy storage from the renewable energy resources has been done. They are mainly concentrated on the solar energy has been wasted a huge amount. Wellraj R 1998 recommended a combined sensible and latent heat storage system for thermal energy and application is found that 1/4 of the day's requirement is stored by the water in a tank sensible heat, and 3/4 of the requirement to store it in a PCM. The reduced size of the storage system. Storage material and method. The major area in field is thermal storage. The material investigation of various criteria given the selection of storage material and properties and latent properties of various sensible latent heat source material are given in section. High thermal heat capacity, high thermal diffusivity, high density, reversible heating and cooling, chemical and geometrical stability, low vapor pressure, and reduce the cost of contaminant material and storage unit fabrication. The properties of the some sensible heat storage material: water, scrap iron, scrap element, rock and brick. The latent heat storage material, the term latent heat, we will generally understand it today, is applied to the storage of heat as latent heat of diffusion in suitable substances that undergo melting and freezing at a temperature level. Consequently, it also often called as the heat of fusion storage. Typically, 5 heat of fusion storage substances, as well known as to all as are ice, paraffin, Glauber's salt. Method and principle of latent heat energy storage. The latent heat is a quantity of energy which need to be absorbed or released when the material changes its phase solid to liquid, termed as a fusion, melting, or from the liquid to solid state is termed as a crystallization. Freezing. These phase changes take place at a constant temperature for a certain material. The process for melting and freezing can be repeated. Solar thermal collector technology: solar cookers, parabolic trough, parabolic dish, central reservoir system, solar chimney, distillator, solar water heater. Here the exclusive here today's average home with energy efficient product and application. Heating and cooling 41% here in the efficient home with energy efficient reduced to the heating and cooling 21%, from 41% to the 21%. Also, appliances reduced to 30% in energy efficient application. Lighting also reduced to 3%. Solar thermal advantage: cost efficient, is installation efficiency, return on investment, reliability. Solar thermal applications: heating and cooling of a building, solar water air heating, Salt production by evaporating seawater, solar distillation, solar drying and agriculture products, solar cookers, solar water pumping, solar ponds, solar refrigeration, solar greenhouses, thermal energy power generation, solar thermal furnaces, solar process heat. Conclusion. So there we will list the solar energy pros and cons. Let me recap now. There is numerous areas when the benefit from the solar hot water system. They are not great for human, but they can also help reduce our energy bill. Not only great to the environment, but also reduce the energy bill. You also always consider both sides of the debate. Choosing investment in renewable energy technology. The key drawbacks of the involved in upfront top cost of installation technology fact intermediate between the whether you advocate the solar technology or not, clear to see that the advantage of solar technology outweigh the disadvantage. Here are the references.